Hello everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to make a custom color palette in Autodesk Sketchbook. You can access the color palette menu by opening the color editor and then clicking on this icon. Now you have a color palette underneath the color wheel. The amount of color swatches is limited because Sketchbook is a free app. But I will show you in the end of the video how to switch between color palettes very easily. When tapping on any of the swatches, the color of the swatch gets selected. You can change the color of any swatch by selecting the color that you want, and then click on here and drag your stylus or finger and place it over the swatch square that you want to change it with. If the color editor is taking a big portion of the screen, then you can access the color palette by tapping on here. There are two ways to add colors from an image into your palette. The first one is by adding an image into the canvas. You can do that by tapping on here and then select the image that you want to add. After that, you should select the colors of the image by using the color pick tool. You can access the color pick tool by tapping on the little circle at the bottom of the screen and then tap on this icon. Now add every color to the color palette after selecting it. And just like that, now you have made a color palette from your image. The second way to extract colors from an image is by using a color palette generator app. I normally use this app called Color Palette because you can choose the amount of colors that you want to extract from the image. And it also includes in it a color pick tool that you can use. But you can go ahead and use any other app that you prefer. When using this method, you should first extract the colors from the image and then save the palette in your device. After you have done that, you should add the image of the palette into your canvas and then fill in the colors into the color swatches by using the color pick tool. Alright guys, this was it for the video. Don't forget to like if you think it was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you on another video.